I check. All right. Okay, so one of my friends challenged me for this CSS battle. I'm a bit new here, but I have a little bit of experience in code goal. And the challenge is to complete this task in like less than 300 characters. And as I checked it, the leaderboard is already like 116 characters. So I don't know what the scope is there. Like, can I try to achieve that? I don't know. I'm not the best in the world. But the challenge given my friend, uh, the challenge was of less than 300 characters. So I'm going to attempt it. Let's find out if we can do it or not. So I'm little bit I'm little bit aware of about the features here. This is slide and compare, and if I do this diff, I think this view is much better for me. So I'm going to keep it like that. And this is the target, and these are the colors that I have to use. So clearly, this has to be the background for this canvas. And there are like these seven rays, as the task name is Sunrays. There are seven these sticks which I need to make, and so I'm going to need seven div or seven elements total. Since these are positioned differently, I have to give them some separate label like ID or something. Okay, so I'm going to add seven of these. B, C, D, and E. So seven elements are ready, and I have to make one of these look like it first. Okay, width is 100 pixel. I won't be that much, I guess. And the position has to be absolute. First of all, let's fix the position. And to add some top, left also. No, I have to add more top. Left needs to be greater. Obviously, div has to have this background, otherwise the color won't match. Okay, now, yeah, now I can see that my height is a bit bigger than what it is supposed to be. I need to move it a bit down also. Yeah, that's wow, it's exact match. Left needs to be higher. Um, just getting lucky with this. Uh, Clearly I need some border radius. Yeah, they have smooth borders around it. Yeah, the task has a bit. Yeah, I think I got it. So one of them is ready. Next one has to be similar, but on a different angle, and top and left would be separate, obviously. And I can notice that I already passed 300 characters. My God. So I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. I can save some characters if I move, like remove this. Yeah, but I don't think I can. remove that much. Anyway, let's solve this first and then figure out about the spacing. That's one div, and next should be another element which would have different top and left, and then we can transform it using uh, rotate in CSS. Okay, so transform rotate 25 degree top. It has to be a little less than the first one, the base one. So let's try 20 less than this, and left needs to be a bit higher. So we already have 80. Let's try 90 please. Clearly the angle is not correct. We need to increase angle. Yeah, now it matches. Top has to be a little bit lower. Yeah, 160 pips. Yeah, 346 characters. And I have 5 more sticks to do. Okay. Hmm, okay. For transform, what I can do is I can put some calculation here. So if this is 30 degrees and the middle one is at obviously 90 degrees, and like this has to be done 60 degrees because it looks quite symmetrical to me. So 30, 60, 90, I can just multiply the count of div. Like if it's the third div, then it has to be 30 degrees multiplied by 30, or n minus 1. Fourth stick has 90 degree. So yeah, according to that, I can put some formula here for calculation. That way I can save some this property. Like I won't have to write this property in all of the IDs. So that's that's where I can save some. I'm still not sure about 300 character BT. Okay, let's try one more. There has to be some other way. I wonder how these people did it. Well, 6 characters. That's insane. All right, let's copy these. Transform here is 60. Should be 60. I'm not sure yet. Top would be lesser than the first one, and left has to be more than the first one. Uh, 30 maybe, and left has to be a bit more. I think I did something wrong. Yep, that fits. So far, we are halfway there. Character count is increasing non-stop. 416 characters. Okay. What I am very confused. Let's keep moving, and then I'll reduce this one in terms of the automatic it with a variable, and I can put calculation syntax here, or I should do it right now. I can do like this, rotate, calculate 30 degrees, multiplied by some variable, let's say n, and I can define this n as 1. Yep, that definitely saves me some characters, or n2, and similarly you can have, oh no, I'm habitual with Control D to duplicate, but that didn't work. So for D, I would have to make it 3. Now that is vertical, but for top part, I have to change it again. Maybe it would be 25, and left would be 35. Wow, that's clearly hidden. So perfect match, definitely. Character count is at 476. Definitely not cool. All right. There has to be some other way. Uh, Transform, rotate, calculate, expand. We can use, yeah, I think we can use transform origin. Let me try that. So if I transform the origin to 30 pixel in X direction, then I get this. Let me add it here. Yeah, so some transformation, like I am pretty sure that this can help us. If I do 50, 60, 70. As you can see, these sticks are like getting in line for sure. It's a good news. And, good thing is, if I'm using transform origin, then this should definitely be not required at all. So I'm just going to comment this. But there's no shortcut for commenting here. Yep, yep, that's the key for sure. This this needs to be bigger. 140 is not. I think it's too big. 120 is. Yeah, with 120, I'm almost there. Where is my first one? The first one, I think I did the math wrong here. No, it's not wrong. For first one, it should be and 0, which is already 0. Oh, oh, the first stick is actually there. It's just completely matching. That's why I'm not seeing it here. My bad. It's not needed. Now, the question is, what am I doing wrong here? This part is good enough. I'm still way above the limit. I can decrease that. All right. I'm at 416, but I can decrease some more. I really doubt if I reach 300 challenge. Um, I'm close here, but I'm definitely missing something. Rotation is there. As I can see, this is too broad, so I'm above the limit here. So it should be 125. The rightmost stick is still going like out of the required area, so it has to be a bit lower. Now it matches. Now it matches the line, but there is still something wrong with probably height or the starting point itself. Possible. No, that was correct. Feel like I'm almost there. Width is okay. Height is okay. Origin is also okay. Pitch. So yeah, this is the problem. I'm putting y as 0, but if I match it with 120px, so I if I only transform the origin for x at 120px, then it works. Property is this only. However, something is still wrong. Okay, now I'm still wrong. So I'm very close, but my output is a bit lower. So my top has to be decreased. I am I'm higher now. It's weird number, but yep, perfect match. 401 characters. Can decrease it a bit. So now I'm at 399. Not yeah. I did not need the challenge, but I'll try to reduce this somehow. Let's submit this first of all. 608, 100% match. However, okay, so this takes 4 characters, and then referencing it also takes Yeah, it takes two characters. 4 plus 2, 6 characters for this. Certain ways to do this. So this is the way we reference attribute in CSS. And yep, I think I'm saving some characters already. So let's fix it. $384. Not bad, not bad. Instead of div, I can use I tag. Yep, 354. That's I'm getting close. I might actually do it. Yep. And this also counts like each new line. So I have to make it messy, but as long as it works, I'm okay with it. And what else can I do? I don't need this because uh, browser would automatically, I guess, detect that. So I saved. Wow, wow, I'm very close. 35 characters to go. Instead of body, I can use yes. Uh, so this is select all selector, universal selector basically. So even this works because I already has a separate background that is overridden. I think this is valid and since it works, so why to worry about it? What else can I do? If I can use percentage instead of px, then I would definitely save some characters. I need to find out how much percentage we are taking from this 400 into 300 grid. So yeah, let's delete this. Wait. So it works without px also. It works without px also. Okay, this doesn't work, but width is working. Height is also working. Is transform origin working? No, this is not working. I'm at 324 characters. I need to figure out a way to reduce it. Let's make it more messy. 317. Interesting. I can actually remove the last character here because this would automatically be 6. 16 characters. I'm not using a attribute, so I can remove this. I'm close, but would I be able to do it? That's the question. See, 314 characters. I can actually remove this also because browser still understands style, and this would be unclosed tag, but it works. 310 characters. If I can remove 10 or 11 somehow, I will win the challenge. I mean, I won't beat the leaders in any way because I want 6 characters. Marvelous. Let's find out what I can do. Position, background. If I remove this, does it work? No, it doesn't, and it should not. Yep, that's just stupid. Background, position, again, this background, top, left, width, height, rotate, disclose. Interesting. Um, Output is okay, but character count is not. Well, if anybody who's watching the video has a better solution, please post links to your solution. I would like to see it. This is fun and tough, and I think I should tell my friend that I wasn't able to do it. One character I can save here because Brace is here. Oh, wait. Yeah, I have all of these in separate lines, so would I make it? 3. Yes, I did it. Well, 299 characters, still meeting the output, and I'm going to submit it. Wow. That, wow. Okay. Uh, yeah, I think this is it. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm far away from leaderboard, but I don't know how champions do it. Um, like whoever these people are, they are totally awesome with their job for sure. Unreal. I'm at 299. If somebody has a better solution, please feel free to share. I'm not sure what, like, there has to be a way where I don't have to use 4 characters for each of the closing ones. So yeah, if somebody implements that, I would probably save 24 characters, and that would be 275 total. If there is some other way, I mean, probably there is, but I'm not aware of it. So let's rest it here and let's try something else.